Hey, Anunay, what's up? How are you doing, man?
Hey, I'm good.
So, what are you doing these days?
I'm working as a customer success manager for a martech SaaS.
Nice. Customer support.
No, customer success. We help in client onboarding, product adoption, and are responsible for contract renewals.
Operations.
Well, not really. We also ensure that client becomes our advocates, and we work with marketing teams to build long-lasting relationships that may turn into upsells.
So, sales.
You know what? I'm an IT consultant.
तो ऐसा बोलना बेंचो.
If you have heard about customer success but aren't quite sure what it means, don't worry, let's break it down together. What is customer success? Well, Edith has given a quick gist on one of our videos.
What is the customer success manager role? I think that's the $1 million question because customer success manager role changes depending on the business maturity, business model, the subscription, is it long-term, short-term, the maturity of the product. But in a traditional form, a customer success manager is in charge to maximize value for the company he works for. That is, they increase retention, increase upsell and adoption and advocacy.
You should check out her channel to learn more on CS. Link is in the description. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Customer success is not customer support. A 2022 report by CustomerThink found that 70% of people mistakenly believe that customer success is all about resolving tickets. In reality, it's so much more. It's about creating value for the clients and helping them achieve their goals with our software. Customer success in SaaS is all about building relationships and delivering results. It starts with onboarding, guiding clients to understand the product. Then comes adoption, ensuring they use the product effectively to see real outcomes. Over time, this leads to renewals, upsells, and deeper partnerships. Diana gave a very interesting analogy of customer success in one of her videos. Check it.
So our customer is going on a cross-country road trip. They have a car, they have a map, and they know where they're going. They have a final destination. Can this customer make it to the final destination by themselves? Absolutely. So where does customer success come into play? Well, imagine if this customer actually had someone sitting in the passenger seat helping them. They were the ones responsible for reading the map, understanding the direction, knowing where to stop. Where's the gas station? Where should we get a snack? Where should we sleep? And warning them of detours along the way.
We go beyond support tickets. We identify risks such as low usage of features and address them before they become problems. Did you know that companies with strong adoption rates have seen churn rates reduced by 15%? That's why we focus on engagement and act early. Customer success also means collaborating with marketing and sales. We invite clients to product launches, webinars, and exclusive events to keep them informed and engaged. It's all a part of making their journey seamless and rewarding. Surprisingly, a LinkedIn study revealed that 43% of people believe customer success is just about saving clients who are unhappy or about to churn. While that's part of the role, it's far from the whole picture. It's about ensuring success proactively, not just reacting when something goes wrong. Why does this matter? Because a satisfied client isn't just a renewal. They become advocates, recommending us to others. Forrester research found that referred customers have a 16% higher lifetime value. Customer success is about creating advocates, not just customers. No, customer success isn't just support. It's relationships, results, and revenue all rolled into one. Whether it's solving challenges, celebrating a win, or just checking in, we are here to ensure that you succeed with us. After all, when you win, we win. So, how does a CS role look like in 2025? Well, Gainsight's CS benchmark report found that 80% of companies prioritize churn reduction through proactive CS measures. In another report, LinkedIn SaaS Trends 2023, 65% of companies now see CS as a strategic growth lever, not just a reactive function. This highlights our progression into a more strategic role. In a report by Customer Success Collective, State of CS 2024, the graph shows that companies are moving towards more work from office or hybrid style of setup. Company culture plays a significant role in shaping customer success strategies, and customer first approach always takes the lead and will continue to do so. So, what are the core responsibilities of a customer success manager in upcoming years? Well, retention has been the highest priority, but we also see CS as revenue drivers and also responsible for expansion. Account retention rate, churn, upsells, or expansion in MRR and ARR are the top KPIs for CS. with 16.1% year-on-year increase in upsell revenue as KPI. You can find the link to the complete report in the description below. Have questions about customer success? Drop them in the comments. Let's redefine success together.